TOP2401 Backpack Vacuum. With a weight of 9.2 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight and easy to carry around. The chiropractor-designed harness not only improves portability of the vacuum, but also minimizes the strain on the user. The hypercone filter, which is fabricated with HEPA media, offers a consistent airflow without affecting the suction of the vacuum. It can also function with a paper bag insert to ease the disposal of dirt. It comes with various attachments which make it a very versatile cleaning equipment. At number 2, GV 8-Quart Backpack Vacuum. The 4-stage HEPA filtration system of this vacuum helps in maintaining clear air within the home. An 8-quart bag capacity allows users to clean for a longer period before emptying the vacuum. It has padded straps of up to 2 inches in thickness to make you comfortable while moving about with the 10-pound vacuum. A waist strap also supports the weight of the vacuum and features storage space for various tools. There is a 25-foot cord on the vacuum, with the only issue being the lack of a cable management solution. At number 3, ProTeam Backpack Vacuum. At just 66 dBA, this vacuum operates at a low noise level. It is an excellent option for cleaning large areas with the 10-quart capacity. A telescoping wand is available as a part of the additional tools available with this vacuum. This commercial tool is great for college campuses, schools, and universities which have a high traffic. There is a 4-level filtration system and a 50-foot power cord to reduce the need to unplug and change outlets. With such a long cord, having a retractable feature would simplify the storage